Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Cosmetic Belgrave here. So today we're just gonna go through everything that I got from all of my baby showers. So I had 3 baby showers and I have all of them, all of the videos on my channel. You guys can check out my previous vlogs. So I had one in New Jersey, one in Charlotte, and one at work. So 3 baby showers I have. And then I'm also gonna do a quick Target haul. So I used some gift cards that I got from my baby shower, and I went to Target and bought some. So I'm going to start packing my hospital bag. I'll make a video about that too. Everything that I need in my hospital bag. So I'm still packing my hospital bag though, but I'm just going to show like a couple of things that I'm going to need. So first, so we'll actually start. I got 2 things to start with actually. First thing we got is this big bag. And I bought this because it's technically a big lunchbox, but I bought this because it's insulated inside. Let me show you inside. I have some things in here. It's insulated inside, so I can use it for breast milk and stuff. I bought a smaller lunchbox for the breast milk, like specifically for the breast milk, but the other one is like if we're traveling, we need extra room, the breast milk can go in there. And then I bought these ice blocks for the breast milk storage bags. Come in handy, you can freeze them, all that good stuff. Nursing pads, you know. But this is my Target haul, if I didn't say that. I brought some nursing and pumping bralettes, like maternity bras. This upside down peri bottle. So after you give birth, usually it's kind of painful to wipe. So I like this because you can squeeze it and then it goes under, compared to like the ones they give you in the hospital. It's just like straight, you know, but this goes curved. So, you know, after you give birth, it's kind of, don't really want to wipe. So you just use this water bottle and squeeze it. So my sister suggested that for me because my sister just had her baby in January. My sister told me she didn't care for taking a shower in the hospitals. I don't know, but she told me to get some water wipes. So I don't know. We'll see when I get there. You know, maybe I'm going to take a whole bath. I don't know. I bought some Dr. Teal's Epsom salt. Lately, my lower back has really been hurting. So, my husband the other day set a bath for me, like a hot bath, and I just sat in it. It felt so good. And I threw some Epsom salt, and I ran outside to fix them up. Just released a lot of tension. And for my belly, for my stretch marks, and to prevent more stretch marks, I bought some cocoa butter, Palmer's cocoa butter, you know, classic household brand, and some bio oil. One of my coworkers, she told me about the bio oil, which I never knew, which this is amazing. This stuff smells so good. I bought this from Target. You buy it from Amazon. I got like 2 small bottles. And you literally only need a little bit, like, and when you rub it on your body, like, really rub it in, because the oil will seep through your clothes. That's how like oily it is, but it's really good. Like if you have dry skin and like, you know, just put on your stretch marks, works wonders. I got like the lunchbox match my baby bag. So now I'm gonna show you like a lot of the other stuff that I got. These are a lot of the things. I'm gonna go through these really quickly that I got. This bag right here, this is my husband's baby bag. It's like a book bag, and it has, so it's like a book bag, and it's like insulated inside. I'm not gonna go through all of it, but I believe somebody got this at Target because I saw it at Target, and it says rain up your child. And then we got this gift from my husband's godfather, and it's just like a changing table with a dresser. We already have some clothes in it and stuff, and I just put these labels, you know, 0 months, you know, to 6 months. And then so this is his crib. My best friend bought the crib. My sister bought the mattress that's in here. She bought it from Amazon. I think it's a sealy mattress. And then I have a friend, she bought this pack and play, which is kind of it's a small pack and play, but it works. Like It's very like durable and easy to maneuver and move. So we're gonna use this back and play for upstairs. Or we can bring it downstairs too. So upstairs and downstairs. And then we got this, a little baby. I can't even think what you call this right now, but essentially to put the baby in, to rock the baby. And then let me turn the light on so you can see. Okay, so this is just a closet. So we got lots of diapers, as you can see. I'm not gonna take all the diapers out. We got lots of outfits, and a lot of outfits in this little hamper. This cute little, I bought this hamper from Target. When I saw it, I just fell in love with it. But there's just outfits and blankets in here. I haven't even like washed yet. So, and then I have a baby tub that my coworker brought for me. And then the rest of these things in here is just like diapers, wipes, and stuff. I'm not going to take all of those things out. It's not really necessary. But I will go over here and we can go through like some of the main things over here. I'm just going to kind of go through these bags. And these are just like some of like knickknacks, some other accoutrements that we got and we just haven't put up yet. Because I think I'm going to get like another shelf and put in the baby room. So let's start with some of the big things. So, somebody bought me these anti-colic bottles, which I was really happy to get. Hopefully this work, and if not, I'll just get glass bottles. I got a bottle drying rack. I got a wipe warmer. I believe I got 2 of these. I got an air purifier. So cute. And I still have like a couple more things to get. Like I want to get a Baby Breeza bottle formula maker just in case, even though I'm breastfeeding, but I still want that just in case. I got some more anti-colic bottles. I got some more baby some baby storage bags to store the milk in. I'm trying to figure out why this is open, because I've never opened this. I'm trying to figure out why it's open. Okay, that's weird. Whatever. Oh, I got some nursing pads. I didn't know I had these, but I got extra. I got a bottle warmer dispenser. I have no idea what this is. Somebody gave this to me. It's used. It's a dome. I think it says dome, D-O-H-M. I have no idea what this is, but I feel like it's like I think it's like a sound thing for a baby to put a baby to sleep. So I got that, and then I got a soothing sleep trainer for a baby. So that's kind of what the dome is, really. Got another wipe warmer. I'm gonna keep these two. Like I'll keep one in my room and keep one in the baby's room, and put it on the changing table. I got some more anti-colic bottles. I got I got a waist belt to hold the baby in the front. I think I got like one more of those. So I got 2 in total. I got a prop and play, you know, for the baby lay on his tummy. You just lay in the middle of the floor. I got another front and back carrier for the baby. So I have 2 of those, one for me, one for my husband. Somebody else gave me one, like a 3rd one, but I just gave it away to somebody else who I know is pregnant. And then I got a diaper pail. I got this diaper pail, and I got this from a coworker. She's so sweet. What I got I have a steam sterilizer. So I have a sterilizer. I have another one. Somebody gave me a used one as well. I think I might end up giving that one away, but I'm gonna see which one is better because the other one is like a baby breezer, and you know, baby breezer is like pretty good, but we'll see. So yeah, got that, and then I got so I have like a basket full of things. This little tire thing I bought because I'm gonna decorate my baby's room in like a safari theme. So I got this to start. I'm gonna order like everything else, like the wall stickers and everything. I'm not really gonna nail stuff up, but I'm just, you know, decorate it, buy some sheets, buy like some playing mats and put in here. But I have a lot of things in here, inside of here that I got. So show. So I got a little teddy bear. I got this from my coworker. This is some Shea Moisture lotion. I got some moisture wash. I got another. I got some shampoo and conditioner by Shea Moisture. I got some bottle brushes and bottle cleaner. I got like a thermometer 3-in-1. I got a teething ring. I got some baby booties, shoes. Got a pacifier. It's just so much stuff, y'all. Another cute teething ring. A lot of these things are on my registry, and I'm so happy people got it. Another cute little teething ring. I really love this because like my baby's like theme is safari theme, so I love it. A lot of people are going with it. I got a little sponge, more pacifiers. Definitely gonna need that. Okay, so that's all that's in this basket so far. So now let's go through the bigger bag. I got this big bag of things to go through. It's just a big present bag. We just threw everything in here. So I got a baby safety kit. I got another baby elephant teether. More pacifiers. Another safety kit. This is actually the nasal thing, aspirator. You can look in the baby's get all that mucus out the baby's nose. Another safety kit, teething rings, got a little pacifier bib thing, got a hat and booty set. Yeah, I'm just running through all this stuff. This looks like a storage rubber ducky for the tub. And this looks like, what is this? I didn't even realize I had this. So this is just like a month, like the time where you can circle like your age of your baby. I don't know if you guys can see clear. And then like a picture, or where you lay the baby down and it shows like the baby's like, I don't know what you call these, but this is really cute. And it says baby on it. That is so cute. I didn't even know somebody bought this for me, but I'm really happy I got it. I'm gonna take a picture every month of my baby. Another pacifier thing, so baby doesn't use it. Oh, rattle. Oh, that's cute. This is, I got a thing to cling in my car, like for the shade. I should actually put this in my baby bag. I got two, so put that in there. I got a nightlight. Put this on the changing table. Got some bottles. Got some Destin baby cream. I'll leave this here because I know the hospital will probably use it. I got some face and body shampoo. Got some lotion and some shampoo. I got like a cup to pour on my baby. That's really cute. I got an aspirator. I got a baby swaddle. That's really cute, which I really wanted. I got some booties, dinosaur booties. I had some cute Christmas booties. Oh, we're gonna have a lot of Christmas outfits. Gripe water. I got some nail clips, a body wash. I got a little towel line where you put the hood over the baby's head. I got some sippy cups. Let's see. I got teething rings, baby spoons, more aspirators. I got some pacifiers. I got pacifier toy wipes. It's really cute. Teething ring. My camera died. So everything else that was like in that bag essentially was like the same thing, like over and over. Everything else was repetitive, but that's pretty much everything. Eventually I will make like a full nursery video of everything that we have after I finish decorating it, but that's essentially like all the things that we have. And I still have like a separate bucket of clothes that I haven't washed yet, so maybe I'll make a separate video showing all the outfits. It's just so much stuff, and I'm so grateful for everybody who gave us, you know, gifted us with things. We don't really even have to buy anything, so I'm so happy and grateful for that. Obviously over time we'll have to buy things that we feel, you know, necessary to buy, but for the most part we have a great foundation, great starting point. But yeah, that's everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.